In this video, let's talk about Farmer's Wife, collaboration software for media production. All right, real quick, you're watching Video Brand. Special thanks to our sponsors for making this NAB coverage possible. Massive, Metricool, Adspective, Vestigit, and OpenReel. All right, back to the video. All right, I'm here with Steven from Farmer's Wife. Steven, can you kind of give us an overview of what Farmer's Wife does?
Okay, nice to meet you, and
thank
thanks for the time. So Farmer's Wife as a company has been around for like 23 years. We just focus obviously on the media industry. We have two main products. We have the Farmer's Wife product, which is a resource scheduling and facility management software, which can be used for small companies, big companies. It's very flexible and scalable. And we have Cirkus, which is our new collaboration platform, which is more light scheduling, collaboration, working on tasks, working on projects in groups, sharing information, sharing files, etc. So these are the two things we're sort of showcasing.
Nice, and so this is sort of project management specifically designed for media production.
We provide this, for production companies, post-production, broadcast, rental companies, just anybody who touches media.
Okay, and I guess what are some of the kind of advantages with Farmer's Wife versus using just a regular, like a Clickup, a Monday,
Well, it's surprising how there's so many companies still using Google Calendar and Excel sheets and things to run their businesses, even quite big companies. So, obviously we have a very big toolbox, so it's an all-in-one system. You can do everything from your budgets, your quotes, managing where your people are, your equipment, projects, all the way through to invoicing and financial reporting. So you do everything from end to end. We're also very, Mac friendly. So, creative industry uses a lot of, Mac products. We have native, iOS, native, Mac desktop. So it's a very intuitive interface. It's very easy to use for our users.
I also have to ask, so where'd the name come from?
Yeah, okay, so we have like a sheet we print out which we give out to people, so I can't show that, but anyway. Originally the company was founded on a farm. The office was a farm in Mallorca, which is where we're based, our HQ in Palma de Mallorca. So that's one aspect, but also the husband and wife who started the company came up with the concept that on a farm, typically the husband does the kind of manual work, the more sort of like simple work on a farm, but it's the wife who typically runs the business, the sales, the accounts, the financing, all the kind of intelligence of that. So it's really, Farmer's Wife is the one that runs your business. Mm-hmm. That's where it kind of comes from.
How much do you sort of have to integrate with other, can you do scripting, can you do, what's sort of the line where you then integrate with other options or cut reviews, stuff like that?
You can use it as a very all-in-one system, but we do, you can export all of the data to a finance system or to a big, kind of Oracle or an SAP system or anything like that. So we have REST APIs, so again, you can just interface with anything. So we're not like standalone, we're very much, integrated in a facility.
What are some of the highlights for new features with Cirkus, with the new product?
Yeah, so Cirkus, it's a standalone product, which originally we developed in conjunction with Apple in California, which is one of our big clients. It's a very nice collaboration tool. It's got task management, as I said. It's just very nicely designed, very simple, clean interface. But it also does connect into Farmer's Wife, so it syncs. So it's like an extension onto the main Farmer's Wife toolbox. So it extends that even further.
And would this be the spot where if you needed to manage your video production and assign the tasks and your graphics you're editing, who's responsible for what, and timelines, that's Cirkus in that bucket?
Yeah, exactly. So more like if you've got a bunch of freelancers and creatives or even your customers, they just want to have limited access in to see their bookings, see what they're working on and collaborate with people inside the main company. That's how typically they would use Cirkus.
Cool. And how does the pricing structure work for each one?
So everything is, we offer Farmer's Wife as either on-premise, which is less and less popular now, or cloud subscription. So it depends on users. So we have an advanced user and a collaboration user, a heavy user and a light user. It just depends on how many of those you have, and that's how we scale up the price. You can start off super small and just grow it or reduce it as you need.
Cool. And Cirkus, similar?
Same,
yeah.
Same sort of.
Got it. Cool. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
Yeah.
Nice to talk to you.
All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to check all of our NAB videos over here in our NAB playlist, and be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode.